Well, ladies and gentlemen, this Apple stock today is the 24th of July. And as we said in our previous video, if you are expecting, if you want to trade Apple, wait for the pullback. And there you have it. That is the pullback right now. I am thinking this is going to this particular level, this level right here. I think that is the 200 moving average right here. Once this side has been hold, we're expecting the next level to be the 200 moving average. And then it will begin its ascendancy. Apple was around 400, now it's almost 371 as I produce this video. So if you are interested to add Apple to your portfolio, wait for what you call a reversal candle. Use Fibonacci retracement tactics. All those things that you can use to see a reversal, and then you can join a trip upside. But for now, the Nasdaq is pulling back, so we expect this market to pull back for some time before it returns to where it was. So if you're interested, wait for reversal and you can add it to your portfolio. Happy trading. Be careful though, you just don't know how far this can go. But as you can see here, it fell that bad. That was the pandemic time of the pandemic. But at this point, the company is in good shape, so we don't expect it to go that far. I hope this helps. Happy trading.